Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the filter component, how we can create the filter component for the table and other like a frame and all. So for creating the filter component, just we need a two step to create the filter component, and we can create our old table also with the filter option. So we can provide the filter option to the old table which is created with the component properties, or you can say like a table with the variables or frame with the variables. In any scenario, this filter component will work properly. So what all things are required to create this filter component? First of all, the table should be on auto layout, and the second is we have to categorize the data. Like here in this table, you can see article date is there. So this is categorized with the like a today, yesterday, week and month. And here you can see the view all. So the date wise I have categorized this table. The second example is the social media analytics. So here also you can see like a view all those data is there. And here I have categorized with this social media handle like YouTube, LinkedIn. So whenever I click on the LinkedIn will sort, and then YouTube. The same way for Instagram and the Behance. So first of all, we have to create the table with the auto layout, and the second is we have to categorize our table. And based on that, we can create the Boolean variable, and we can pass through, or you can say like a link with the appearance, it will get sorted. So let's see how to create that. So here I have this table. This table is created with the variables, and you can see here the local variable where I have the created different rows with this, which is having the article today, and then month wise, weekly, and here yesterday. So these all categories is created and simplified the table with the category. This is the easiest way to create the table using the variable. So I won't focus more on the like table creation. Here how we can create the filter we'll see. So like once if you look at this table is completely created with the auto layout. Here table is there. This is auto layout, and within this auto layout we have like a table header and the table row. So once you look at this table row, this is created with the component property. Easily we can enter the values. And the second, how we can create the filter. So once we have done with the categories, table auto layout, then we come to the local variable, and here you can create the Boolean variable with this category. Like here it is, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Behance. So these all category Boolean value is true. Once the Boolean value is created, we select the row which is having the YouTube, like this one. And here you can see this is attached with this in appearance, and this is attached. So now I'm going to detach. Before going to detach, I will show how it is working. So now I have table here, and these variable values are here. So we'll come to this social media, LinkedIn, make it false, false, and false. That's simple. So this all Boolean value which I have created here, I'm going to pass through this specific category which is having the YouTube. So select the row, and here in appearance, you can see YouTube is there. I'm going to detach this first. I have detached. Now, if I make it this false, this YouTube is not getting false because I have detached the Boolean value. So Boolean value or Boolean variable, which we have to attach again. So how we can attach? Just see here and right click and attach with the variable. So now if I make it detach false, it is working because I have attached again. The same thing we have to pass or we have to give the interaction to this tab. Either you can create the drop down, also it will work. So this is the component which I have created, which is here, tab component. And here you can see, so just we need to create one tab and remaining will carry forward the interaction. So like here, this is the LinkedIn and you can see the interaction is given. Very simple interaction. Just we have to make it LinkedIn true, remaining all false. Like here, YouTube false, Instagram false, and then we have false. The same way, we'll come to YouTube and you will see here, YouTube is true and remaining all the false. Same here also as well. Instagram is true and remaining all false. And same with the Behance also. So this is the simplest way to create this filter option. So suppose if you have the table in your prototype or a workflow, first you look at the table. If it is not in auto layout, make it in auto layout so it will easy to sort the table. And then second is category. So create the category and specify that category in tab, and then you can create variable, Boolean variable like this, and give the interaction over here on a single tab. Once you have done with this, you can create this as a component like I have created here, and you can add the variant. So variant once you add, so here I have given this is active. So this is default. Here I have hover and active. So in this place in variant 2, view all will default and LinkedIn will be active. So if you want to look at the interaction, here LinkedIn is true, remaining all false. So same interaction is carry forward, means taking that instance and having this all variant here, which is presented here. So once again, we are looking at this. So here also I have done the same thing, like view all is having all those interactions, like all those dates are appearing here, article date, and then today, just these are the today article, and then yesterday, week, and month. So these are all the previous data of the previous month, previous week, then yesterday, and today. And if you want to see the view all, so they can click on the view all. Same way here, this is overlay. So in overlay, I have passed this. So this is used with the component property, and again, the same thing here. So this component is uploaded in Figma community. You can use freely. And how is the trick? Please write on the comment. For today, thank you very much. Next video will come up with the pagination, the same way, easiest method, how we can achieve the pagination. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.